Tinanghal na first runner-up sa Miss Elegant Best Resort si Francine Reyes. Naging second runner-up naman si Miss South Africa at ang winner ang representative ng bansang Netherlands. Samantala, tinanghal na third runner-up ang representative ng bansang Indonesia at fourth runner-up ang kinatawan ng bansang Czech Republic. Sa kabilang banda, nagsimula na ang ilang segment at pre-pageant activities ng Miss Eco Teen 2023 competition and support Francine Reyes sa kanyang journey na masungkit ang corona ng nasabing pageant. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Para maging updated ka, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe.